Happy morning, children. Today we are going to start with the second lesson, book exercise. So before that, I'll tell you what is your today's portion for your test. So you have Shabdat, Dinon ke naam and Vilom Shabd. 3 Romans will be there for your test. So prepare well. All the best, children. Children, today we are going to start with the book exercise, page number 10. So children, open page number 10. In page number 10, we are going to do the second Roman. Okay, so we have already completed the meanings. So we are going to start with the second Roman. Now, here see the heading, Pado or Samjho. So what do you mean by Pado or Samjho? Yes, read and understand. Pado matlab read, Samjho matlab understand, aur matlab and. So read and understand. So here you all know what is this? What letter is this? Yes, this is half L and this is complete L. So this what they want to convey here, you have to write a word which has this half letter plus your complete L. Okay, so we are framing the words, that is we are framing some words which is based on these letters. This is half letters, okay, half letters with the full letter. Understand, children? So the first letter is half L and full L. Okay, so related to this we are going to see some words. So what is the word here? What letter is this? G. Very good. This is G and the matra below is U. This is U. So what it become? Gu. Gu, L, Lu. So how do you pronounce the word? Yes, it is Gullu. So the word is, this is half L, so Gu, L, Lu. Gullu. This is Badi U ki matra. So it is Gullu. Gullu. Next, it is Bu. This is B and this is Choti U ki matra. So Bu, L, Lu, Bullu. Understand? See again. Bu, L, Lu, Bullu. Very good. Next. Ti, L, Lu, Tillu. Ti, L, Lu, Tillu. So what are these names? Yes, these 3 names are names of squirrel children. Yes or no? We saw in the lesson, right? Yes. So these names are squirrel children's name. Next. Ch. Half ch and a complete ch. So related to this, there is a word b, ch, cha. Bacha. The word is bacha. Understand? Next. K, ch, cha. Kacha. Understand? See again. K, ch, cha. Kacha. So, kacha means raw. Kacha means raw. Next. S, ch, cha. Sacha. See again. S, ch, cha. Sacha. Sacha means truth. Sacha means truth. Very good. Next. Again, you all know this half letter can be written by writing a stroke below. Yes or no? So this is half t. This is complete t. Understand? This letter can also be written like half t like this and below you can write like this also. So there is nothing wrong. Understand? Some children may write it as ha. So they have written as a stroke with the full t. Understand, children? So the word is bu, ta, tha. Butta. So we have already seen butta means corns. Yes or no? So bu, ta, tha. Butta. Next. Mi, ta, ti. Mitti. See again. Me, ta, tea. Mitti. What do you mean by mitti? Yes, mitti means sand. Mitti means sand. Next, chu, ta, tea. Chutti. Chu, ta, tea. छुट्टी. छुट्टी मतलब हॉलीडे. छुट्टी मतलब हॉलीडे. नेक्स्ट, हाफ स एंड कंप्लीट स. व्हाट इज दिस? ही, स, सा. हिस्सा. अगेन, ही, स, सा. हिस्सा. हिस्सा means share. Understand? Hissa means a small part. If you have something, in that few part, if you give it to some other friends or anyone, that is called as hissa. That is part of something. Understand? Next, r, s, si. Rassi. R, s, si. Rassi. Rassi means rope. Rassi means rope. Next, gu, sa, sa. Gussa. Gu, sa, sa. Gussa. Gussa matlab angry. Gussa matlab angry. Understand, children? This is only for your understanding purpose. So what are the words which is related to these half letters? Understand? Next, come to the third question. So here we are going to write question answers. Yes or no? So समझो और लिखो. Understand and write. So this one will be your homework. So I am just going to explain each and every questions. So since you have already written in your fair note, I have already explained these question answers in your fair note. So you are going to write these answers by yourself. I'll just quickly explain the question answers. So first question, गिलहरी के बच्चों के क्या नाम थे? So what do you mean by that? गिलहरी means you all know squirrel. के बच्चों means children. क्या नाम थे? What was the name? So what was the name of गिलहरी के बच्चों or children of गिलहरी? So what was the name? Yes. What is the name? Gullu, Bullu and Tillu. So you have to write the complete answer, children. So how we wrote it in fair note? In a same manner. Write it in a neat manner and use your pencil in your book, not pen. So in your fair note you can write with the pen, but in your textbook please write with your pencil, children. Next, second question, गिलहरी ने बच्चों से क्या कहा? So गिलहरी ने बच्चों means children. क्या कहा means what he said. What गिलहरी said. कहा means said. So when I am explaining, you can write down then and there itself your English meanings if you don't know, children. So what did the गिलहरी said to the children? Yes, they all have become big now. So they can do their work by themselves. Yes or no? Yes. So you can write this answer also, children. Next, come to the next question. टिल्लू क्यों रोने लगा? So what is the question? क्यों means why. क्यों means why. रोने लगा means crying. Why Tillu was crying? Why Tillu was crying? Yes, because the corn got burnt. Yes or no, children? So टिल्लू क्यों रोने लगा? Because इसीलिए रोने लगा क्योंकि टिल्लू का भुट्टा जल गया. ऐसा ना? So टिल्लू का भुट्टा जल गया इसीलिए वह, you can write either टिल्लू or you can write वह रोने लगा. So both are correct. Next, टिल्लू के रोने पर उसके भाइयों ने क्या किया? So what is the answer here? Sorry, what do you mean by this question? उसके भाइयों, whose brothers? टिल्लू के brothers. So what did they do when the टिल्लू was crying? रोने means crying. So when टिल्लू was crying, what? Kya means what? What the brothers did. So what did they do? Yes, they helped or they shared the corn with the Tillu and they solved the problem. Yes or no, children? So this also please write by yourself and complete the question answers as your homework. Next, come to the next page, that is page number 11. Come to the fourth one. Samjho or karo. You have to understand and do it. So what we have to do? You have to join the first word and the second word and you have to frame a new word. Understand? So I will do these two and you remaining these three do by yourself, children. Next, see here. Ja plus kar. What it will become? Yes, it becomes jakar. Jakar. Understand? So it has a meaning. Yes or no? So jakar means after going. Next, keh plus kar. Keh plus kar. Keh means doing. Keh means doing. Kehkar means after doing. Kar means doing, after doing. Understand? Once you finish the work. Okay, so kar means whatever you finish it. This has a different meaning. This has a different meaning. Next, I'll explain this. Do it by yourself. Next, mar plus kar. Mar means, what do you do? What do you mean by mar? Yes, beating someone. So kar. Marker means after beating. So after beating someone does something, right? So that is called as marker. So you have to write marker. Next, bant plus kar. Bant means share. Kar means after sharing. Understand? Next, daud plus kar. Daud plus kar means, daud means run. Kar means you all know after doing. So after running. After running. Understand, children? So complete this also. Next, come to the, what is this? Yes, match the following. But this is what? Vilom Shabd. This is called as Vilom Shabd. Understand? So I will explain the meanings of each and everything. Complete this also, children. Okay. So what do you mean by udas? We have already seen all this in fair note. So I am not going to do by ourselves. You will be doing by yourself. Okay, children. So udas means what? Sad. So you can write it here itself. Udas means sad. Bade means big. Next, सूखे. सूखे मतलब dry. Next, rona. Rona means cry. I have already explained in your fair note. Thoda means less. Next, bara. Bara मतलब full. Understand? Next, chote. Chote means small. Next, hasna. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Next, khush. Khush मतलब happy. Understand? Gile. Gile means wet. Khali means empty. Zada. Zada मतलब more. Understand, children? So do the match the following related to the opposites. Understand? So we from this we complete our lesson. This will be doing it as activity once we'll start the activity. Okay, children? Thank you.